Okay, now let me go to the last small topic of this electrophilic substitution, that is, see here, when I have taken only benzene, my electrophile is occupying nitro group at this carbon. If it is onto this carbon, any carbons is one at the same, because already we discussed that in structure, mono substituted benzenes are identical. There are not different six compounds are forming. If nitro group I keep onto this position also, it is called nitrobenzene. If it is positioned right, okay. So when benzene is taken, this is formed. But if already one substituent is present, imagine that here one OH group or alkyl group or anything, then if I do nitration, so where my nitro group has to go and attack, because at that time I will get three different products, because already one substituent will be present, one more substituent can come here, here, here. That means ortho, meta, para, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 are possible for me, right? Then in this situation, the group which is already present will direct the incoming electrophile, right? That is called directive influence of a functional group, right? For example, you can easily understand by taking this example. Look at my phenol. I am writing any examples you can take. Just I am taking here phenol because one substituent here already present. Okay, then let me go for nitration only. Concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So this is nitrating mixture. This will generate my nitro NO2 electrophile. Then where my electrophile can sit? There are three possibilities I said. Please, I am writing the reactant as it is. Here OH, OH. Phenol is my reactant and I am writing phenol as the product as it is. Now, what is extra? I have to write nitro. Nitro can be replace the hydrogen this position, because this hydrogen, these 5 hydrogens are there, but 3 different, because this hydrogen are identical, because if I replace this hydrogen and form 2 nitrophenol I'll get, or else if I remove this hydrogen also I will get the 2 nitrophenol. If I remove this hydrogen, 3 nitrophenol. If I remove this hydrogen also I will get the 3 nitrophenol. Therefore only 3 possibilities. I said already dye substitutions are 3 different possibilities. What is other one? 1, 3 also possible, but it is said that phenol will allow ortho and para positions. The incoming electrophiles here. OH already I have substituent I am taking. Then now my new substituent will be nitro, will occupy the para position. Only these two are possible, not the meta, when OH functionality is there. So may I write the name of this compound as orthonitrophenol and this one as paranitrophenol, right? So these two are possible, not meta possible. Then why? And this functional group which allowing the incoming electrophile only onto the ortho and para direct positions, I call this OH group as ortho-para directing group. Okay, not only OH, see here, OH, NH2, NHR, NHCO, amide, alkyl group, any alkyl group, ether groups, ether group is OR group. So these are called as ortho-para directing. If here instead of OH, if I take methyl group, then also my nitration mixture will be orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol I will get. Okay, then why this is happening? So small resonating structures will write why this is happening. See, I'll write my benzene ring system with my phenol. OH, resonating structures, therefore double headed arrow I can give. And look at this, these lone pair of electrons can be given to into the ring system to form carbanion. Till now we have seen carbocation only, but here now we are seeing carbanion. Banion means, this will be positive charge, right? One electron pair will be there, but positive charge. Carbanion means what? Anion. Onto the carbon, if anion is there, I call it to be, see here, I am not disturbing these double bonds. I am writing as it is. Anion I am writing. This is carbanion. That means already phenol is, benzene ring is electron rich, I said, because of these 3 double bonds. And some more electrons is given into the ring system. So this is occupying the negative charge. Now how to write my negative charge? See here, negative charge removed and form a bond, pi bond with these 2 carbons. And this pi bond, because this carbon is excess of electrons, then this pi bond moves and forms anion here. Right? Don't get confused. Till now we have written carbocation because electrophile took the electrons, and see here, O minus, I am writing as it is, and this formed a pi bond, right? So I am writing here. This pi bond already is there, I am writing here. This pi bond removed and formed a anion. Okay, and again this anion will form a pi bond into this carbon, and this forms anion over here, right? Then I can see here, this double bond is here already, and this forms another double bond here, and this forms anion. This is my double bonded OH with positive charge. Okay, so these resonance structures indicates, see where all my negative charge, onto the ortho position is negative charge, onto the para position is my negative charge, onto the ortho position is negative charge. So negative charge means what? More electron dense. So ortho para positions are more electron dense. Therefore electrophile is attacking onto the ortho para positions. Actually I can show you like this also, direct attack. If you want a mechanism for this, for example NO2 is attacked, NO2 plus is generated from that reagents. Then I can show you the mechanism that the lone pair of electrons enter here, and this double bond only will be given to this nitro, and it is giving, see here, OH positive charge, and here is your nitro, and these double bonds I am not disturbing, I am keeping as it is. And here is one hydrogen. So this hydrogen will give its electrons to this, and oxygen gets electrons back, and I will get my aromatization, that is double bond back onto OH and NO2, right? Like this it may happen. Or else what is another para I have to write now? See, a para I have to write means you have to go here. You have to remove electrons here, then move here, then here you, instead of writing anion to this, you directly attack onto the nitro. Then you will get the para position. How? Let me write even that. See here, OH. Anyway I can write na. See here, lone pair of electrons going on to this and moving on to here. See, it is not stopping here because I said already it is fast, right? Just for your sake I am writing ortho, and later I am writing the para. See, for example, if my nitro group is here, then this anion forming a double bond here, and this double bond takes the NO2 then what happens? On to the para position I will get my nitro group, and my double bond is going to be formed here, and this already present double bond and my OH. The last step is removal of proton, no? From where it has to be removed? From where it is been substituted, there it has to remove, correct? So it forms a pi bond over here, then this pi bond will move and forms here, oxygen gains it back its electron, and you will get para substituted. Look at this, this is para substituted phenol, isn't it? See here, is there any chance onto the meta position you get a negative charge? No, correct? Therefore, here meta position is not formed, only ortho and para positions are formed. Therefore, it is called as ortho-para directing group. This is called directive influence of a functional group. I repeat again, if mono-substituted benzene is there, to that electrophilic substitution will be directed by that functional group which is already present. And these are two types. One is ortho-para-directing, another is meta-directing. If ortho-para-directing groups, any group, if you take alkyl group, methyl group is present and do nitration, you get here methyl and nitro, okay. Or if I do chlorination, see all 5 are possible here. I am talking about all electrophilic substitutions. Phenol, if you do all electrophilic substitutions, they will get only ortho-para positions only, isn't it? Okay. I will give you one question for you. For example, if phenol, please don't worry about this mechanism if you don't understand. Just remember what is the reactant and what would be the product form. At least this you must remember or understand. If phenol reacted with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, what are the products? Can you guess? Okay, you try it. Okay, the last one, this is ortho-para-directing now. Then other one is meta-directing. Okay, meta-directing group. What is meta-directing? Those groups which are already present will allow the, for example, let me take nitro group. If nitro group is present, NO2, then do alkylation, anything you can do. Alkylation in the presence of AlCl3. Then what are the possible positions here? It seems they have got only one product, that is onto the meta position nitro group. But what is the name of this compound we write? We will write actually, see here, this is first position, this is second, this is third. Already I said nitro always will be a substituent. 3-nitrotoluene. Okay, this is called, okay, don't worry about the nomenclature. Then why this might have formed? Again, the mechanism. Okay, see, nitro group is called now as meta-directing. Why? Because this is allowing the incoming electrophile to sit only onto the third position, either this side or this side, one are the same, right? So only one product is formed. So I call nitro group as meta-directing. Not only nitro, but there are many group, electron withdrawing groups, we call them as, see here, all carbonyl group, all your ester group, all the COO containing groups, okay? COOH, COOR, CO, aldehyde, ketone, cyanide, nitro, all these are meta-directing groups. Because presence of these, if you do any electrophilic substitution, it will ask the electrophile to sit only onto the third position. Then why this might be happened? I will explain you the mechanism here. May I write my NO3 as like this? NO2 as like this? Because as it is electron withdrawing, because if you write carefully, this get the negative charge and this get the positive charge if you write only single bond, right? Okay, if this is positive charge nitro, this withdraw the electrons from the ring system. Okay, I hope you are understanding. It is taking electrons from the ring system. See, I am writing as it is. My negative, these my double bonds are here, and this is nitro N, and this is O minus, and already O minus is there here. So this is a positive charge. And what is the charge I will get onto the ring system? Obviously positive charge, because the double bond is taking off the electrons. Okay, away from this ring electrons are going. Therefore from the ring system nitro is taking electrons. Then how to write the resonance? I can write the resonance by rotating the 3 double bonds. I will keep as it is. See here, this nitro I keep as it is, the O minus, and this is positive and a double bond, and this bond as it is, and here newly formed bond, and here a positive charge. Look at, again I got carbocation, just like electrophilic substitution mechanism I was telling. And here this pi bond can rotate. Here double bond N, O minus, and here is positive charge. Here is newly formed, here is formed, and here is my another carb. See, whenever you see here on ortho and para positions, look at this, ortho, para and ortho. In all these, what is the charge you can see? Positive charge, that is electron deficient, correct? So, on ortho and para position, electron is deficient. Then, how an electrophile can attack onto ortho para? No, right? So, only onto the meta electron rich. Though negative charge is not there, but no positive charge also. Therefore, incoming methyl group will occupy onto the third position. That is meta position. Okay? Therefore, this is called as meta-directing group, or these groups are also called as ring deactivating groups. Ring deactivating groups, because they don't increase the reactivity, right? Because electrophilic substitution means electron deficient species is coming. We have to give fast the electrons. But here it is not giving the electrons soon. Itself the group is taking. Therefore, its reactivity is decreased than the group which is present electron releasing group. See here, this is electron releasing, already electron rich, and some more electrons given into the ring system. Therefore, these groups are called as ring activating groups. Right? See, if you see the reactivity order, if you see the reactivity order, the group which is benzene, may I write benzene here, and I will write here electron releasing group. So like OH group I can write, and here I will write nitro group. Then who will have more reactivity? Obviously, the electron releasing group will have more reactivity than benzene than this. That means if nitro group is present, this will be less reactive even than benzene. Okay. So you have to remember that ring activating groups will increase the reactivity. Ortho-para directing group will increase the reactivity. Meta-directing group will decrease the reactivity. Okay.